Hello everyone. Today we are here with a new topic, homophones. The word homophones has two words, homo plus phone. Homo means same and phones means sound. So homophones means same sound. Words that sound same but spell differently and have different meaning are called as homophones. So homophones means when we have same sound, words that have same sound but the spelling and meaning are different. Words that are having same sound but the spelling and meaning are different are called as homophones. Let us go through some examples. Here both the word sound same, that is ship, but the first picture represent a ship that is used for traveling and the second picture represent a ship that is animal which give us wool. Here both the word sound same, steal, but in the first picture it is a thief that steals thing and the next one is a mineral that is common everywhere. Here both the word sound same, but the first picture represent a title of a hero and the next picture is a time between sunset till sunrise. Both the words sound same, that is tail, but the first picture represent the tail of an animal and the next one is a story. Here both the word sound same, that is male, but the spelling is different, M-A-I-L male and M-A-L-E male. The first picture represent a male that is used for letters and the next one is masculine gender. Both the words sound same, scent, but the spelling S-C-E-N-T scent and S-E-N-D scent are different and the first picture represent a perfume and the next one is the V2 form of scent. Here both the word sound same, pray, but the spelling is different, P-R-A-Y pray and P-R-E-Y pray. First picture represent prayer that we do to our God and the second picture represent an animal that is hunted. Here both the word sound same, that is plain, but the spelling is different, P-L-A-I-N plain, P-L-A-N-E plain, and the first picture represent plain surface and the next one is an aeroplane. Here both the sound same, H-O-L-E whole and W-H-O-L-E whole, but the first picture represent a hole that is done under the ground and the next one is the whole part of a watermelon or any fruit or anything whole part. In this picture both the word sound same, that is sight, but the spelling is different, S-I-T-E sight and S-I-G-H-T sight. First picture represent a website or a place and the second one represent the vision of a human being. Now we will go through some words with an example. So the word that sounds same, lesson, but the first one, that is L-E-S-S-E-N, means to reduce. To reduce means to make less. Lessen the length of the rope. And the next one, that is L-E-S-S-O-N, lesson, that means learning outcome from an experience. When we are learning something, we get an output from that experience. We learned a lesson from the circus. When we went to a circus, we got some lesson. We learned a lesson from the circus. Suppose today you saw a story of Raja Harishchandra. So here what you got the lesson, that is always speak the truth. The next one is O-A-R, or, and O-R-E, or. Both sound same, or, but the first one is of a boat, a part of a boat. The ore was brown in color. And the next one is ORE, ore, that means mineral. Jharkhand is rich in iron ore. Jharkhand is rich in iron ore. Here both the word sound same, pore. But the first one, PORE, pore, means a very small hole. Invisible pores on the surface of a leaf. Very small holes that are invisible. There are invisible pores on the surface of a leaf. And the next one, POUR, pour, means to put. Pour some milk into the jar. Put some milk into the jar. Here both the words sound same, that is straight. But the first one, STRAIGHT, means direct. Direct way. The road leads straight to the highway. Straight road. And the next one is STRAIT. Straight means a narrow passage of water between seas or ocean. In seas and oceans there are small tributaries. Passages are there. To that we are saying STRAIT, strait. Can you locate the Palk Strait on this map? Here both the word sound same, that is fair. But the first one, that is FAIR, fair, means light complexion, light in color. She is fair and looks attractive. Next one, FARE, fair, means money charged for a journey. When we have a journey, what is the cost for that journey? It is called as FARE, fare. What is the one-way fare of Rajdhani Express? Here both words sound same, boar. But the first one, BOAR, boar, means a wild pig. A wild pig. I saw a boar yesterday. And the next one, BORE, boar, means a person who is very boring. When a person is very boring, we say BORE, boar. My friend is a big boar. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe my channel to know more English grammar from Suman's Academy.